In this really quick video guide, I want to show you an interesting website for those of you who are interested in graphic design for web sites and apps. And perhaps you probably need to do like a mock-up or a block out of your application or website, and you need icons. So this is a website where you can get free icons and vector graphics, and it's called Icomoon. So let's go back from the beginning, and I'm gonna type here Icomoon on Google, and there you go. This is the website right here. So we can just click here, and when you get here, you can see how the website is structured. So you have the app, and then you have the packages, and you also have a premium version. So if you want to go here to icon packs, these are the packages. So you can see that you have like different versions. So for example, if I click here into linear icons, you can see here that this is a free, you have a premium version. So this is the premium version, and you have the free version. So this one here is going to give you a lot of different icons for free. And you can see the format is SVG, or Scalable Vector Graphics. And this can be downloaded and opened up in software like Illustrator, or if you want an open source free alternative, it's called Inkscape. And you will find video guides and video courses in our channel about vector graphics and about Inkscape, and also Illustrator and other vector graphics software. So you can see here you have different option. If you want to download the entire package, you can just click on download now. It's going to be in a zipped folder, so you just need to extract it, and you will find all the different icons that you can reuse, modify, edit in whatever software you want to use. And instead, if you want to use a single icon, you can click on that, and you can do download, and it's going to download the SVG format directly. And once you download it, you can just view it and modify it in, again, Illustrator or whatever. So let me just go back and show you the other part of this website. So the other part is the app. So I can access also from this button on the top left. This is going to bring you directly to the app. Or you can, from the home page, if you click on the Icomoon app, it's going to give you information about all the features, and it's free, and other things you can do. You can also import your own vectors if you want, again in SVG. So this is the link for the actual app right here. So let's click again, and it's going to load up the app. This is the direct link right here. It's called icomoon.io/app. And here, essentially, what you can do is import. You can go here and get other icons, but these are, you can see here, not for free. You need to purchase these. And sometimes you can just add. So if you want to add icons here from another library, or you can just edit them. So you can see here, and so you can do essentially some operations, not too much, but you can do some operation right here. So let's say that I like this icon. I can also remove icons that I don't like. So if I click now, it's going to remove things that I don't like. I can move them around, and I can edit them. So when I click on the little pencil there, it's going to let me edit. And again, we don't have many tools here. You can delete it. Let me just go back, Control Z. You can rotate it. You can flip it. You can move it. You can scale it. And you can fix the margins. So these are really basic operations again. Then you can download the SVG from here. You can duplicate this, and it's gonna go there. So these are really basic operations you can do. Down here, you can see you can generate SVG and more. So there you go. This is the one that we just created, and this was a previous one. So you have like other preferences here. If you want, you can choose other formats and other like, little bit technical stuff. And also here again, you can click download. You can see SVG PNG. So you can view, you can edit, you can download. You can also generate fonts if you want, but this is actually gonna save these as a font file, perhaps, and not scalable graphics. But fonts are, in a way, scalable graphics as well. So there is nothing really fancy in editing here. It's just I think it's better to edit in again Illustrator or Inkscape. But you can find a lot of icons that you can start with. So you can download this. You can save it. You can open it in another software. You can edit that there. But you have a lot of libraries that you can use and that you can check out. And here also you have some fonts, as you can see. So this will be all for this quick video guide. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to support our channel, please join as a supporter. This will be all for this video. Again, if you're interested in vector graphics, check other courses and other video guides in our channel. And also leave your comments, questions, suggestions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.